Hello students, today we will join words or sounds, phonic sounds. See, speak with me. C says ka, A says a, T says ta. Next, B says ba, A says a, T says ta. M says ma, A says a, T says ta. D says da, E says a. N says na, P says pa, E says a. N says na, F says fa, A says a, T says ta, R says ra, E says a. D says da, Z says G, I says E, P says pa. Yes, now we will join words. Yes, CAT, 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 cat. Next, BAT, bat. Next, MAT, mat. DEN, den. Next, PEN, pen. Pen. FAT, fat. Fat. RED, red. Next, ZIP, zip. ZIP, zip. Yes, again, CAT, cat, BAT, bat, MAT, mat, DEN, den, PEN, pen, FAT, fat, RED, red, ZIP, zip. Okay, you have to read and write like this. Bye bye.